Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and signing in. This makes sure the app loads your content. Once done, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left to open the profile screen where Spotlight Access lives. You need to locate the Spotlight or My Spotlight entry. Snapchat groups Spotlight submissions under your profile. This step is essential because Spotlight views and basic metrics are tied to the content you submitted, so make sure you're viewing the same account that uploaded the clip. Now you find and open the specific Spotlight snap you uploaded so you can inspect its performance. Tap My Spotlight or Submitted to list your entries, then select the clip in question. Once the snap is open, swipe up or tap the small analytics icon. Snapchat reveals view counts, likes, and other basic engagement metrics this way. Take time to note the view number and how it changes. That tells you whether distribution is increasing, which helps you decide if you should promote similar content. Finally, interpret the metrics you see. Views indicate distribution, while shares and engagement show how well people responded. Make sure to refresh your profile or reopen the Spotlight snap to update numbers in real time, because counts sometimes lag briefly. If metrics don't appear, update the Snapchat app and wait 24 to 48 hours for analytics to populate. If they still don't show, reach out to Snapchat support. This troubleshooting tip resolves most common data visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.